I now report live from Alaba International Market, fancy and furniture section. Otu dị taa bụ ihe gbagwoju anya nyere ndị mmadụ nọ na Alaba International Market na fancy and furniture section. Ndị ọchịchị obodo abụ Lagos State Government bịara ebe a taa. All the people nọ na this plaza quick notice. Immediately quick notice that demolition na get demolition ever at any given time. O wee gbagoju onye ọbụla anya, anyị wabụ ndị Alaba News nọkwa ebe a iji wee gosi unu ihe from the bridge of fancy and furniture down here, down to Canal, that everybody can see people parking all their property. It's not a small something. We are begging on the state government to have mercy. All this plaza will go down at any moment. Oh my God. All this plaza you are seeing now will go down at any moment. They came in numbers. They came in numbers and issued the quick notice that everybody should remove all his property to this environment with immediate effect or face the law. Alaba News reporting live from Alaba International Market, Ojo, Lagos. Thank you and God bless. We are here live. This is Alaba International Market, fancy and furniture section. We are reporting and God bless you all for watching.